This video will show you exactly how to add a simple fade in and fade out transition to your videos in CapCut. So just follow my steps. I'm going to open the CapCut app on my phone and then add the video to my timeline on which I want to add this transition. You can see how the video looks like now, and let's tap on the video to select it, and you'll then tap on this animation option at the bottom. Since this is the start of the video, make sure you select the In section, and then locate the Fade In animation somewhere on this screen. Once you select your Fade In animation, you'll use this slider at the bottom and select how long you want your Fade In animation to last. I suggest you set this to around 1 or 2 seconds for the best effect for your videos. As long as the end of the video is concerned, simply select this Out section at the top, then locate the Fade Out animation, and that's essentially it. You'll also get a slider for the duration of the Fade Out animation, so set it to however long you want your animation to be. Make sure to check out the CapCut playlist from the description of this video for more similar tutorials. And if you want to learn basic video editing skills, make sure to subscribe to App Tutor, and I'll see you soon.